Hi, my name's Carson. I'm from the class of 2020. I took Java, C++, and data structures, and a couple independent studies with Galbraith. Um, so yeah, my sister's filming. She's gonna ask some questions.
All right. What impact has Sunset High School's computer science and engineering program had on your high school career?
On high school specifically, it gave me a lot of opportunities. I interned at Intel and wrote code there. I did NWAPW, which is a programming workshop that Galbraith leads over the summer. And I learned how to do a ton of stuff and to make a ton of stuff that I never would have been able to do otherwise for classes other than CS, for example. I wrote a neural network for my math class that analyzed lit papers. That was super fun to do, and that's just one example of something that I never could have done without computer science.
What impact has Sunset High School's computer science and engineering program had on your future plans?
Well, I plan to go into computer science now, and I'm gonna major in computer science at University of Rochester, where I'm planning to go to college. So yeah, I mean, I would say that's a pretty major impact. That's basically what I'm planning to do with the rest of my life because of this program.
What value did you get out of the computer science and engineering classes?
A ton. I can code in more, well, I've written code in more languages than I can even remember writing code in. I have a skill set that I think is pretty unique and interesting because of those classes. I learned really cool ways to apply stuff I learned in other classes, like math especially, just using that stuff in a real world context that most other people don't see.
How are computer science and engineering classes different from your other classes?
So obviously, if you've ever taken one of the classes, you know that they're kind of the flipped classroom where you do the learning, and it's all self-guided, which is super nice. It kind of allowed me to learn not only at my own pace, but kind of in my own fashion. I really like to do stuff first and kind of figure out why it's not working later, and try and do it and learn along the way, which Galbraith's classes allowed me to do really well. So that was really nice.
Name one thing you did in a computer science or engineering class that you're particularly proud of.
Well, it wasn't an independent study this year. In computer science design that I took this year, we built a fully functioning website that uses artificial intelligence to connect influencers and advertisers together, and we were able to launch it and apply to VCs with it, and it was a really fun time to actually write thousands of lines of code with a group of people that were extremely complex in some scenarios. We analyzed data from Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter with machine learning in order to connect these influencers and advertisers, and just to create a finished product with a group of people was really fun.
What are some skills and abilities that you gained through computer science and engineering classes?
What didn't I gain? I can program in so many languages now. I know how to do everything from front-end web design to low-level machine code. That's all stuff I learned at Sunset, and I think really I just learned everything that I know that I feel like is that I'm gonna keep using in my later life through the computer science classes. Okay.